So you're probably wondering what compliance is. Well, compliance is the action or fact of complying with a wish or command. Our project begins on an evening at the outlet mall. We asked random individuals to participate in our math project in which we had to measure how many jumping jacks, push-ups, and dance moves they could do in an allotted time of 10 seconds. Once the task was over, we then told them statistics such as the average jumping jacks in 10 seconds were 13, or that the average amount of push-ups in 10 seconds was 8.
The last part was, yeah, like your dance moves. Can't dance? Can you try it? Alright, well thank you.
Our prediction is that younger people will comply, whereas the older individuals will say no. And older people will comply with jumping jacks and dancing. Overall, people will do mainly jumping jacks.
3, 2, 1, go. Stop.
Alright, you got 13. The next.
Stop. Go. Stop.
Alright, you got 12 there. Good job. And would you guys like to help us with the last part?
Can you do dance moves and I do dance moves?
What about you? Come on, you just gotta move around.
Come on, let's go.
You got it. Come on.
can't.
You can just wiggle.
No, I can't. It's fun. I can't.
Come on.
You can.
No, I can't. You always do that.
Alright, you guys.
Rez always does the play.
AJ, go ahead.
You do
You do it.
No.
You love dancing.
No.
You do.
What if I dance with you?
There.
No.
There you go. You don't want a pretty girl dancing with you?
Come on.
No.
Why do you do that? Yeah, come on.
Just pose.
There you go.
I don't
Pose.
know.
Just do one pose.
Come on, dude. You know you can do it.
Everyone reacted in a different way to the given task. We actually observed some violent people, such as this little kid, and some were more hesitant than others, and some just straight up didn't want to do it.
Is somebody counting?
Yeah. 8, 9. Stop.
8 chopping cart?
Yeah.
Ready?
Go.
That's all I gotta do? Yep. Good?
Alright, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
You are just I just my shoulders up and you can't lift them up.
9. Stop.
Alright, you got 13, you got 11.
Why?
We did happen to notice a pattern that people were definitely more willing to comply when they were asked in groups, and it seemed easier to ask guys rather than girls, so by the end we specifically tried to ask more girls than guys. And it was also seen that whenever we asked them to do push-ups, a lot made the excuse of an injury. We also noticed that it was much easier to ask younger people rather than the old people.
9. Stop.
Alright, you got
Alright.
7, which is the national average actually. So, in 10 seconds. Alright. There's
Can
one
you-
last category.
Can you do dancing in 10 seconds? Like,
How many dance moves you can do?
No.
no? Go.
The story we made up as to why we were doing this experiment made it seem pretty believable, which probably led to the rate of compliance that we had.
Stop.
This floor's nasty.
I'll explain.
Ew. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, stop. 1, go.
Come do the relax.
And then this
Toss it
one.
out. Make the pizza.
What is that? You gotta do the disco. That's the one you were doing.
Hi, welcome
Stop.
I got 3.
You
That's
gotta
bad.
do this one. I got 5.
One of the theories that was utilized in this experiment was foot in the door phenomenon. And foot in the door phenomenon is a tendency for people who agree to a small action to comply with a larger one. Many of the times you can see throughout the experiment that people who did the jumping jacks and the push-ups eventually complied to doing the dance moves. Even though they looked a little bit crazy, they still did it anyway.
1, go. Alright, stop.
Alright, you got 18, the national average is 13, so that's good.
Can we see how many push-ups you can do in 10 seconds?
Come on, you got it.
It's just for a minute. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's just for a minute, but yeah.
It's like trash.
Come on, you got it. As fast as you can. Alright, ready?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
So I thought you did push-ups. Oh my gosh.
Alright, stop.
Alright, you got 12, national average is 8. There you go, yep, there you go. Alright, one more.
The last part, can you help us out with your dance moves?
You gotta come up with as many dance moves as you can in 10 seconds.
Like this is a social experiment.
For math.
That's for my
You can even just
just do
pose
it
for
for
10
10
seconds.
As many dance moves. Come on, you got this. I know you can dance. I know you can dance.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, keep it up.
I
There you
can't
go.
think of
I got
any
you.
dances.
Stop.
Alright, I like that. That was 6. That was the highest I've ever.
Oh, you got the most in the day. That was a psychology class.
I mean, I'm no MK, but.
But yeah, that was
That was
for
definitely
De-individuation is another theory that was utilized a lot throughout this experiment, and it is the loss of self-awareness and self-restraint occurring in a group situation that fosters arousal and autonomy. This was seen a lot because people who were asked were in groups rather than individually because they were more willing to do it in groups. And people consider large groups safe and provide protection, so they act differently with others. And so they're more willing to do it, whereas if the person was by themselves, they were more hesitant to do it or wouldn't even do it at all.
right some poses.
Both of us have to do this.
Yep, both of you.
it's just a second.
Todd walk away. Alright. You go with your tag. Your tag.
Yeah, you guys take care of like
Yep,
something.
yep.
Alright.
I don't really.
Take it from you. You're in a club, you know.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, yeah.
I'll do one.
I like that. Oh,
Did you do the lawnmower yet? No.
yeah. That's ideal.
Stop.
Alright, so we're going to give this.
The last theory that connects with compliance is the chameleon effect, which is our tendency to unconsciously mimic those around us, unintentionally mirroring the body position and or mood of others around us, which leads to contagious actions.